Hi, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Finally, I'm back with y'all since I think Christmas. Today I'm going to make one pot fajitas. So I do want to tell you about this. This is cauliflower and it's riced. So it looks like rice. A lot less calories in this. There's 19 calories a serving and this whole bag has 3 servings. And so I'm gonna use the microwave for this and corn. I'm using the microwave for corn. Those are my 2 items along with the shells that will not be in the pan. So let's get started. What you wanna do is you wanna cut up your peppers and just any way you wanna cut them up. Some people like them thin and some people like them thicker. Some people don't like them like this, but they're going into a shell, so it doesn't really matter how they're cut up. I always save the last part till later. I just set it to the side so I can just keep cutting the same. I'll probably go ahead and use that for salads, the ends. I'll cut the ends up for salad. And you got some really nice colors because I got red, yellow, and orange here. Some really nice colors in our fajitas today. That's about it to the seeds. And so then you just want to take and place it in your pan. Like so. You don't have to be real fancy about it, just kind of get them in there. And then I have some yellow squash. And we all know that we need to wash all of our vegetables and our fruits, and I did that before I started. So they don't have to be real thin because they'll get nice and soft in your pan with all these veggies. And this is a zucchini. This is a really low calorie meal. So go ahead and have another flour tortilla or a corn tortilla, whatever you like, because the insides of them are going to be very, very low in calorie. Okay, then I bought some jarred mushrooms, and you just kind of sprinkle them over the top. I like to slice my onions last because it makes me cry. They make me cry. So I like to slice my onions last because they make me cry. I can wash my hands and get the tears out of my eyes. So I like to slice them first and then just kind of I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am. It's rainy outside, but having a nice day. It's a Saturday. Okay, so there's your filling for inside your fajitas. Then I like to take a can of tomatoes. I actually really like to have my fresh tomatoes from my garden, but this is not that season. It's winter time right now. So I just bought me a can of tomatoes, and you put that over the top. And that'll give you your juices for on the bottom, so you don't have to use oil at all. We don't use oil. And then you just cover it and you set it on low. You turn it on and you put it all the way over on low because you want that to just simmer and the taste just to cook for a long time, just to simmer in that. And then after that happens, a lot of this will take and shrink down as it cooks. You can move it over, put your can of refried beans in there on the side, and you don't have to dirty any other pans. This is your only pan that you have to dirty. So, because we don't do oil, or we try to stay as much away from oil as we possibly can, I learned something this week about tortilla shells and how to make them hard in your oven so that you can have a tortilla that's like this, made out of corn tortilla shells with no oil in them. Okay? So if you want to come over here, I'll show you how that's done. So what you want to do is you want to place them underneath like that. So they're on two. Place it underneath that one and that one, and underneath that one. Anyway, you get the concept of it, right? And as they cook, they actually will go towards each other. And so you got to really watch them as they're cooking so that they don't wrap all the way totally around that. You don't want them totally wrapped around it because they'll close. And then you'll just have to break them off of there and use them as chips, which is okay too. But I didn't realize this until I watched a lady do it on a YouTube channel, that this would work. I thought I had to buy a special machine to do this, but you don't. And I think that'll be enough for us three. So that'll be it for us three. Okay, so that's how your hard shells are done. Bake it at 350 for about 10 minutes, then check it and see how crispy they're getting and how they're folding. And just make sure they don't fold all together like that, or you're gonna have some chips, which is okay too, like I said. So I wanna take time and thank my son and his wife and my grandchildren from Alaska for my beautiful apron. I'm into biking, so I do a lot of bicycling now, and they bought me an apron that's full of bicycles. So thank you, I love it. Now I'll let you see the finishing touch of our supper. Corn's done and my rice cauliflower is done. And these are microwavable bags, so no extra pans there. And my shells, look how nice they are. Very nice. My food is all done. Turn it off. This is what it looks like. And this is our meal. And this is the rice cauliflower that I was telling you about. That's really low in calories. And my family can't even tell the difference. So give it a try. Bye.